Hello everyone and welcome to today's video on learning the cursive handwriting. So we are almost towards the end of the series. So we just have 3 alphabets left, and in today's video you're going to learn to write the letter J. So let me just show you how to write the letter J. It's easy as that. So when you learn how to write the letter I, which you already do, and the lower loop, the loop in the lower zone, you combine these two and you get the letter J. That's too simple, right? But there are so many things you must keep in mind. Let's start with the stem, the retracing part. I told you for the letter I, you need to retrace it the um, till the baseline. But here for J, you don't have to do that. You can just split it up in between because the line doesn't go out. Instead, it drops down. So, up, and you can bring it down like this and make the letter J. Again, and that's it. Always remember, while doing the loop, you don't have to make it wide because you have the stem like this. The width is less. So the stem can also be a little. And that's how you write the letter G. Okay, let me show you the ways you're not supposed to write the letter G. The first one goes like this. Can you see that gap in between? That seems really weird. That's too bad, right? Always remember, we are doing cursive letters in the right slant. So bring it back to the left. You got that? Now take your time and practice the letter J, because this letter we do not write it often, but while writing it, it can mess up the appearance of your handwriting. And down like this, and a dot. So the other type, as I was telling you, this gives you the upright stand writing, the upright writing, which you must avoid while doing cursive. The beauty of cursive is when it slants to the right. Okay, and the next point that you must keep in mind is the dot you place on top, just a dot near the J stem. And there's one more thing. Can you see how it bends? You need to avoid that. Okay, while dropping it down, make sure it's straight and then curves. Keep practicing the letter G with me. So you can write words like jar, J A R. You can practice few words to get this letter familiar. Always remember, to master handwriting, it's not necessary for you to write the same letter pages after pages. Just practice it for 2 lines. Just this is 1 line and repeat it for twice. But make sure you write it slow and keep your focus while writing the letter. It's letter J. So I'm writing it properly. Keep all the points in mind while writing the letter G. Just 2 lines, that's more than enough. Just practice for 2 lines and start writing words. While writing those words, just focus on the letter you want to improve. Okay, that's how you improve cursive writing. Pages and pages will waste your time, and even if you write pages and if you don't concentrate on the letter, it's absolutely waste. And the most important tip, whenever you write something, if you spot the letter J, make sure you write that letter consciously. That's all about today. That's all that you're going to learn in today's video. So see you guys in few days with more interesting contents because we're about to complete the lowercase letters in cursive handwriting. So keep practicing and we'll see you soon. Bye bye.